Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, in this tutorial we're gonna do the primrose stitch. It looks like this. This is the front and this is the back. So if you like, you can make this. It's a very easy stitch for you guys, the beginners. Just 2 rows repeat, very easy. So this stitch works with multiples of 3 plus 1 more. So I chain my multiples of 3, I have 15, and I'm gonna chain 1 more. Okay, so we're gonna skip the first chain, this one. In the second, we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do 1 single crochet, chain 2, and we're gonna go back into the same chain where we did this single crochet, and we're gonna do 1 more single crochet. Then we're gonna skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and in the third chain we're gonna do the same. 1 single crochet, chain 2, and we're gonna go back again into the same chain and we're gonna do 1 single crochet. Again we're gonna skip 2, 1, 2, and in the third chain we're gonna do the same. 1 single crochet, chain 2, and then we go back again into the same chain and we do 1 more single crochet. Again we're gonna skip 2, 1, 2, and in the third again 1 single crochet, chain 2, and then we go back again into the same chain and we do 1 single crochet. Again we're gonna skip 2, 1, 2, and in the third the same. 1 single crochet, chain 2, and go back again into the same chain and do 1 more single crochet. And then we're gonna be left with 2 chains, 1 and 2, and in the last chain we're gonna do half double crochet. Okay, so we're gonna do a half double crochet, and now it looks like this. We're gonna chain 3. We're chaining 3 because we're gonna do clusters of double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, turn your work, and then what you're gonna do, you have this single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet. It's a space in there. We're gonna work into this space, yarn over the hook, and we're gonna do in this space 3 double crochets. So 1, go back again into the space for the second, and go back again for the third double crochet. Then again we're gonna move to the next space, the single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet, and in that space we're gonna do 3 double crochet. It's just 2 rows repeat. It's very easy. Okay, I'm gonna move again to the next space in here where we have that single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet, and we're gonna do 3 double crochets. Okay, we move again to the next here, and we're gonna do 3 double crochets. Okay, I'm gonna do like this until the end. So the last single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, we're gonna go in there in that space and we're gonna do the same, 3 double crochet. Boy, it's not easy with long fingernails. I should have cut them. Okay, so we're gonna do 3 double crochets, and because we have the 3 double crochets, we have the last stitch right here. It's this one here. Yeah, so we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do 1 double crochet. So yarn over the hook and go in there in that stitch and do 1 double crochet, and each time you have to repeat. Now we're gonna repeat the second row. You're gonna chain 2 when you have that single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. I'm gonna chain 2 chains at the end. So now we have this cluster of double crochet, 3 double crochet. What you're gonna do, you're gonna go in the middle one. So this is the first double crochet, this is the second, the third, go the one, let's say the second, the one in the middle, and we're gonna do one single crochet, chain two, go back into the same stitch and do one single crochet. And again we're gonna move to the next double crochet cluster and find the one in the middle. Yeah, first, second and third, go to the one in the middle and do the same, one single crochet, chain two, go back again into the same stitch and do one more single crochet. Again we move to the next cluster of double crochet, find the one in the middle, go in there and do one single crochet, chain two, go back again into the same stitch and do one single crochet. Again we move to the next cluster, find the one in the middle, it's this one, so we're gonna do the same, one single crochet, chain two, and go back again and do one single crochet. Okay, the last cluster of double crochets, so first, second and third, go to the one in the middle and do the same, one single crochet, chain two, and go back again into the same stitch and do one more single crochet. And now you have that chain three from when we did the double crochets. So first chain, second and third, go on top of the third and do half double crochet, one half double crochet. Okay, and now we have to repeat the cluster of double crochets. So when you have to do that, you chain three. Okay, and now again it's a repeat. You have the single crochet, chain two, single crochet, go between in that space in there and do 3 double crochets. It's a very easy stitch. Okay, now again we're gonna move to that space in here and we're gonna do 3 double crochets. Okay, move again to the next and we're gonna do 3 more double crochet in that space in there. Okay, now again we're gonna move to the next, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet in the space there, and we do 3 double crochets. Okay, now the last single crochet, chain 2, single crochet for the row, go again inside there and do 3 double crochets. Okay, and now you have the chain 2 when you started this row with single crochet, chain 2. So find this is the, I don't know if you can see, this is the first chain, this is the second, it's right here. Go inside there and do 1 double crochet, because we have to bring the height for the double crochet. Okay, and now we're going to start the row, the second row repeat. It's with the 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. So each time you're going to have to do that row, you're going to chain only 2. Turn your work and then again move to the first double crochet cluster, find the one in the middle, yeah, and it's this one, and we're going to do the same, 1 single crochet, chain 2, go back into the same stitch and do a single crochet, move to the next cluster, find the one in the middle, first, second and third, go the second one, let's say, and do a single crochet, chain 2, go back again and do a single crochet. Again, move to the next cluster, find the one in the middle, single crochet, chain 2, go back again and do a single crochet. Move to the next cluster, find the one in the middle, which is this one right here, and we're going to do a single crochet, chain 2, and go back again and do 1 single crochet. And again, the last cluster, first, second and third, go the second, the one in the middle, and do the same, 1 single crochet, chain 2, and go back again into the stitch and do 1 single crochet. And now you have the chain 3. So the first chain is here, second and third, go on top of the third one and do a half double crochet. And now you have to repeat the row with the double crochet, the clusters. So each time you chain 3, because you bring the height of the double crochet. So again, you're gonna move to the first, space, the single crochet, chain 2, and you do 3 double crochet. And you do like this until whatever you do, whatever project you do, it's done. And so on. It's very, very easy. So you move again to the next and you do 3 double crochet and so on. It's gonna look like this. So yeah, this is the Primrose. It's very easy for you guys, the beginners. So if you want to try, you can, well, use any yarn you like, but make sure that you have the crochet hook that corresponds to the, to the yarn size. This one, well, the yarn is a little bit thick. Well, I live in Japan. They don't put like in the United States or Canada or England, whatever, they don't put a yarn size. They will tell you thin, thick, medium thickness, that kind of thing. So this one I worked with the 5mm crochet hook. This one, it's a little bit thicker, but this one, because the yarn recommends to use the 4mm crochet hook. And the bad thing is that, from what I understand, the size, the hook size in Japan differ than the United States. It's like madness. It's like nuts in here. But well, each country has different styles. I even asked a few days ago, I went to a mall where they have yarn, all kind of crafts, and I asked the lady in there if the Japan puts the yarn size, and she says no. What we do, it's just thick, medium, thick, thin, whatever, it's in between. Yeah. Even the knitting needles are different, the sizes, than United States. Okay guys, this is the Primrose stitch. I hope you enjoy. Well, it's a very easy, pretty stitch. It can, well, it's a little bit dense, yeah, especially if you're gonna use a thick or chunky yarn. They differ a little bit, the look from the front and the back. Yeah. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.